Les petites madeleines ideas are always the result of an interaction. We are a based Paris independent creative agency working every day at the intersection of strategy, creation, and consulting. Never alone, always as a team, so that every idea is challenged by shared perspective and expertise. For more than 15 years, we have supported brands of all sizes on projects that are often confidential. Our mission is simple: to listen, understand each challenge, and design relevant solutions without ever relying on routine. To remain agile and efficient, we need tools that can keep up our pace, which free up our time for what really matters: reflect, exchange, and create. AI does not create for us. It frees up our time so we can be more creative.
At the agency, every project is different, just like our customers. One day, a strategic rethink, the next, a campaign, and sometimes a last-minute pitch. The paradox is that for an idea to be effective, it needs time to mature. The real issue is not inspiration, but the space we give it express itself.
Creativity depends greatly on the importance we place on exploration, exchange, and design. Yet, significant part of our time was taken up by tasks that do not directly contribute to the creative process. Formatting, reorganizing documents, managing versions, preparing files, or reviewing content.
Added to this are confidential projects that require absolute rigor in access control and data security. We needed to involve the way we work without compromising on responsiveness, security, or creativity.
The Acer TravelMate P6 14 AI Copilot Plus naturally became a central tool for the team. It integrated seamlessly into our workflow while meeting our professional requirements. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processors with integrated NPUs, AI tasks are processed locally. Sensitive files and creative concepts remain on the device within a secure environment. Acer ProShield reinforces this protection seamlessly in the background. For an agency like ours, being able to explore creative avenues in a closed and secure environment is just essential.
AI become a valuable day-to-day assistant. Copilot supports the team during meetings, help with note-taking, quick summaries, and structuring projects when time is limited. It handles time-consuming tasks, allowing everyone to focus on strategic and creative priorities. Where the lines approach, performance becomes essential.
Thanks to the graphic card integrated into the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor and the Intel vPro platform, the team can refine visual, adjust layout, or work on video edits directly during meetings.
Lightweight, slim, and MEL STD 810H certified, the TravelMate P6 14 AI Copilot Plus moves easily between the locations. Each chassis, partly made from recycled plastics, also reflects an awareness of environmental impact.
Ultimately, AI does not replace creative thinking. It frees up our time to make it even more relevant.
The transition was seamless. Equipped with Intel Core Ultra 7 processor supporting the Intel vPro platform, the TravelMate P6 14 EA Copilot Plus has become a natural part of the way we work. The most noticeable change has been in collaboration. Whether it's strategy, creation, or project management, each team member can work off the same presentation or the same storyboards from different locations. Today, a single online meeting is enough to co-create a document, share visuals, and make decisions in real time. Decisions that used to require several back-and-forth exchanges can now be settled in a single meeting. The fluidity of exchanges is impressive, even when sharing a screen of displaying high-definition visuals. Purified view and purified voice technologies improves meeting quality. TravelMate Sense allow instant adjustment of system performance according to current needs. After meetings, Copilot helps structure key plan and next step.
At the agency, AI has strengthened our organization without ever taking over what matters most. It gives us back time to think together, exchange ideas, and sharpen our thinking. It's a discrete partner supporting collective intelligence. As we always have, we will continue to challenge our methods.
Our objective remains unchanged: to stimulate the team's creativity and intelligence through reliable, efficient, and secure tools. The safer we are, the freer we are to create. With the Acer TravelMate P6 14EI Copilot Plus, we have found a way of working that is more fluid, more secure, and fully aligned with our needs and ambitions.
Acertainty. Make it certain.